Hello everyone, this is Solomon and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your computer run faster. Very simple ways to make your computer run very fast. Or you can increase the speed of your computer. Now, simply go look for run on your computer. So you type whichever version you are using, just type run and then run will appear for you to select. Just type run and then click on it, and then when run comes just type msconfig and click OK. Now a screen will pop up for you, and then these are the first tab displays startup selection, normal startup, load all device drivers and services, which is good. Diagnostic startup, load basic devices and services only. Then selective startup, you can select the items you want them to boot with your computer or your laptop, whatever you use it. This is another side, but the place I want to concentrate is services. There are so many services that run that we don't like, so you can remove some of them and your computer will run very fast. So the first thing we'll do is to protect the Microsoft service, the services that run makes your system run from Microsoft. So we can hide all of them by clicking on this button. So click. So all the Microsoft services will hide, so we can remove this and something like this. I don't need it. Intel should run. ESET server, which is my antivirus, should also run. Express account shouldn't run. HP app helper service, I don't need it. Diagnostic, I don't need it. Network services, I don't need it. I don't think I need it. So just uncheck all the ones you don't need, and your computer should run fast. I think I'll leave the Intel Nvidia, which controls my graphics. Audio, I'll leave all those ones. There are some other services I don't need. Okay, I need those ones. So that is it. After that, just apply and then okay, and then you can restart your machine. And then when you restart your machine, everything will run pretty fun and very fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you with another video pretty soon. Thank you. Bye bye.